Welcome back to part 2 of our series on ETL development versus data engineering. Today, we're exploring the core skills needed for each role and giving you a scoop on transitioning from ETL developer to data engineer. If you want to level up your tech career, this video is a roadmap. My name is Obi Obanafe, and I am a researcher and educator in cybersecurity, ethics, and data. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Now, let's get started by breaking down the skills that set ETL developers and data engineers apart. Using a visual to describe the differences, an ETL developer is like a master carpenter who is meticulous in handling the framing and the structure. They excel at taking raw materials like data, transforming it and fitting them together perfectly into a data warehouse. They know their tools like ETL software inside out, ensuring that everything fits together. The data engineer is like the construction manager or even the architect. They're not just focused on the frame, they are designing the entire house, from planning the electrical and plumbing systems to ensuring that everything works seamlessly. They're using the carpenter's blueprint by bringing in new techniques and materials like big data technologies and cloud services. So here's a table that compares the core differences in their skills and where one is an expert and the other one is just proficient. Let's break down this table to further understand the differences between an ETL developer and a data engineer. In terms of their skills in data manipulation and transformation, the ETL developer has more expertise in manipulating data using techniques like joins, aggregations, and the data engineer is only proficient in those techniques, but their focus is on designing and optimizing data pipelines for proficiency. In terms of data modeling and database design, the ETL developer has basic understanding of data models and mainly focuses on transforming data, while the data engineer has more expertise in data modeling and database design, optimizing schemas for different platforms like relational and NoSQL databases. In terms of programming languages, the ETL developer is proficient in scripting languages like Python and SQL, which are essential for ETL processes, while the data engineer has more expertise in multiple programming languages, Python, Java, Scala, and SQL. In terms of data warehousing and big data technology, the ETL developer is familiar with data warehousing concepts and common ETL tools, while the data engineer has strong understanding of data warehousing and big data platforms like Hadoop, Spark, which are fundamental for handling larger data sets. For data pipelines and infrastructure, the ETL developer is proficient in building and managing ETL pipelines for data extraction, transformation, and loading. The data engineer has more expertise. Lastly, cloud technologies and DevOps. The ETL developer has basic knowledge of cloud platforms for data storage and processing, while the data engineer is more proficient in using cloud technologies like AWS, Azure, and GCP for data engineering tasks. Please note that this is generally the skills landscape. Now, you will find ETL developers who are experts in all these categories that I've just listed as data engineering, or you might even find a data engineer who does not have those skill proficiencies that I've just talked about. So you're an ETL developer and you're looking to become a data engineer. Fantastic. This is a great career move and totally achievable. Here's how you can make that leap. You already have a strong foundation in data manipulation and ETL, which is a great start. Number one, level up your database skills. Go a little deeper into data modeling and different types of databases. Understand how to design them effectively. Number two, become a coding professional. Enhance your programming skills in languages like Python, Java, Scala. These are important for building data pipelines. Number three, learn more about big data. Get familiar with technologies like Hadoop and Spark, which are important for handling big data sets. Number four, explore the cloud. Gain more expertise in cloud services like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. These platforms are very important for data engineering. Number five, become a data detective. Develop more skills in data analysis. Transitioning is all about expanding your tool sets and expanding your knowledge base. But remember, You already have a sound and a solid foundation. Just keep learning, build projects to showcase your skills, and network with people who are already doing what you want to do. You've got this. Stay tuned for more insights on ETL and data engineering. Don't forget to like and to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.